User order lah satu lagi.
Nah dia naik sah. Ini up. Already up. The water level already up sah.
Penuh.
Sikit lagi sah. No salah. Close. Pocok.
Okay, I tell you what I do today. Kita silicone. No, but cannot silicone today as well.
For the bath, I switch on the water heater switch, and then that one will turn on, so the water will come up. You can take a bath. Meanwhile, this water heater heat up about 70 seconds. Okay, if the water over here, the sensor water heater will send it. The light up will on. If not, they will turn off the water sensor, so the software will stop immediately. As we can see, this is the current resistant water heater. So if this one will rush, so the water will come to inside this element heating, so we can get about 3.6 kilowatt, so we can get a shock, maybe we die. For our system, it's not possible to touch the water to touch the electricity. If the water not enough the pressure, we can put this water pump in here, so we can get enough the pressure.